Hi, and welcome to my channel. I'm Kim from Love Lettered Studio, and today we're going to be working on this. Grab your iPad, create a square canvas, and I'll meet you back here. Make the canvas smaller by pinching so that you can see all four sides. Click the wrench, canvas, drawing guide. Go to brushes and select a good lettering brush. I'm using my salted wash brush. I'm going to draw out the letters of the word peace using thick downstrokes and thin upstrokes. After I draw this E, I put a dot on the paper by accident. 2 fingers tapped on the screen will undo your last stroke. If you watch the top stroke of this E right here, I hold at the very end, it will snap my line in place. And then I can go in and just clean it up. But it gives it a perfectly straight line. Click layers and 2 fingers, swipe the layer to the right. Go to colors and choose a color. Select a large brush. Begin coloring your letters. Change colors a few times. Click adjustments, Gaussian blur. Slide your pencil on the screen. I went to about 9%. Click layers. Slide your layer to the left. Duplicate. Select a very dark color. Turn off the top layer. Color over your word completely. Go to layers. Using 2 fingers, swipe this layer to the right. Adjustments, Gaussian blur, slide to about 2 to 3%. Layers, tap the N on this layer and slide the opacity down to about 50%. Click the checkbox in the top layer. Select the transform tool and slide that lower layer just down and to the right. At the time of this recording, I didn't realize that I'd be using this video for instruction, so I used a shortcut here, but I wanted to insert a little screen recording to show you how to do this next step. At this point, your image should pretty much look like this. Go to layers, select the plus sign to create a new layer. Select brushes. Under calligraphy, choose monoline. You can adjust your brush size on your toolbar. Select a color and begin making random dots, maybe 5 or 6. Select a new color, adjust your brush size. I'm going to go a little smaller. Make more random dots. And we're just going to repeat this process. I'm going to speed the video up just a little bit for time's sake. Continue this pattern of selecting a new color and adjusting the brush size with each new color. When your layer with your dots looks about like this, go ahead and stop. Here we're going to create a new layer. Select the transform tool. Place your pencil on the green dot and swing it around to turn this layer upside down. Adjust it so that your dots look the way you want them to. Select layers. Tap that top layer to bring out the pop-out menu. Select merge down. Slide that top layer to the left. Duplicate, uncheck the box on the top layer. Select the layer just below it and use 2 fingers to slide to the right. Go to colors and select the same dark color you used before for the shadow on the word peace. Go to brushes, airbrushing, hard brush, and color in all of your dots. Go to layers. On the highlighted layer, use 2 fingers and slide to the right. Check the check box in the top layer. Select the transform tool. Place your pencil inside the dotted box and slide it down and to the right just slightly. This creates visibility for your shadow. Select the adjustments tool, Gaussian blur. Place your pencil on the screen and slide it to the right to adjust the blur. I think I set mine at 1.4%. Select layers. Tap the N on this layer. Adjust the opacity down to about 50%. Go to Actions and turn off your drawing guide. Tap the Select tool. Draw around any dots you don't like the placement of. Tap the Transform tool and use your pencil to place your dots where you want them. If you're having trouble here, you could be on the wrong layer, so check to make sure you're on the same layer as your dots. You can also erase dots you don't like. Just click the eraser tool and your pencil is now an eraser. And we are done. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing, like and comment, and let me know what you thought. Thanks for watching.